Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of NIT Polytechnic College, Nagpur. I am Professor Sahil Shambargar from Department of Chemistry. Today, we will be going to perform the experiment of flashpoint by Abel's closed cup apparatus. The course outcome from this practical is that we can use paints, varnishes, and relevant engineering materials in industries. The learning outcome from this practical is that the students will be able to determine the flashpoint and fire point using Abel's closed cup apparatus. Minimum theoretical background. So, as we know, the oiliness of a oil is defined as the property to stick to the machine, which means a good oil should not get vaporized under working temperature. बोलने का मतलब ऐसा हुआ बेटा कि एक अच्छा जो ऑयल होता है इट शुड नॉट गेट वेपराइज्ड, उसका वोलेटिलिटी कम होना चाहिए, वेपराइज नहीं होना चाहिए, भाप नहीं बनना चाहिए. किस टेम्परेचर पे? जिस टेम्परेचर पे वो मशीन काम करती है उस टेम्परेचर पे. अब हम इस प्रैक्टिकल से क्या करेंगे, हम एक ऑयल का फ्लैश पॉइंट निकालेंगे. अब फ्लैश पॉइंट की डेफिनेशन है दैट फ्लैश पॉइंट इज द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर एट विच एनी लिक्विड गिव्स अ फ्लैश व्हेन अ फ्लेम इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, तो फ्लैश पॉइंट एक ऐसा टेम्परेचर है किसका, ऑयल का, जिस पर ऑयल इतना वेपराइज हो चुका होता है कि अगर हम उस पर फ्लेम इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो वो एक फ्लैश देता है. क्या देता है बेटा? फ्लैश देता है. ठीक है. रिसोर्सेज रिक्वायर्ड, सबसे पहले तो हमें एबल्स क्लोज कप apparatus की ज़रूरत है. सेकेंडली हमें थर्मोमीटर की ज़रूरत है. एंड थर्डली वी नीड अ lubricating ऑयल. अगेन द प्रोसीजर विल बी वेरी सिंपल, दैट वी हैव टू ओपन द क्लोज कप in such a way that the level of the oil should exactly match to the level as noted in the cup. Secondly, we have to fit our thermometer very carefully. And thirdly, we have to check for flash point in every 10 to 15 degree Celsius interval of temperature. Okay, हमको हर So now I have filled my cup up to the mark with the given lubricating oil. As we can see that I have filled the cup with the lubricating oil. I'll close it up and I'll fit it in the Deadwood viscometer. One precaution that we have to take is that there shouldn't be any sort of oil on the surface of the cup on all the sides. Otherwise वो गर्म हो जाएगा and it will give the flash point way before our oil will give. Okay, and at the same time it is very risky to heat a oil openly. So now I will start the Abel's flash point apparatus. As you can see, the dimmer is set between 70 and 80. Also we have to fit our thermometer in it so that we can constantly note down or we can constantly record the temperature of the oil. Being the closed cup, the temperature rise will be very sharp. So the temperature has now risen to 280 degrees Celsius and now we will check for the flash point. As you can see, it is holding the fire, which means the flash point is near and the temperature that I can see is 240 degrees Celsius, which means the given oil gives a flash point at 240 degree Celsius. ऑब्जर्वेशंस, हमें इस प्रैक्टिकल से फ्लैश पॉइंट ये 210 डिग्री पर होता है, ये पता चला है. द फ्लैश पॉइंट ऑफ द गिवन लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल इज ऑब्जर्व टू बी एट 210 डिग्री सेल्सियस. द फॉलोइंग POs, the following program outcomes are attained in this practical. The first one is engineering practices, engineering tools and experimentation. Engineering tools and experimentation means कि as a student or as an industry resource person in the future, the students will be able to use the tools that will be provided to them efficiently and conveniently. The next PO that we map in this experiment is lifelong learning. Now lifelong learning का मतलब होता है कि हम जिंदगी भर पढ़ते ना रहे. लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग का मतलब होता है कि हम आगे आने वाली टेक्नोलॉजी के हिसाब से खुद को अडेप्ट करें और साथ ही अपने आप को अपग्रेड करके हम उस टेक्नोलॉजी के हिसाब से चेंज हो. थैंक यू.